One thing that stem cell research has revealed over the recent years is that stem cells are playing a role much beyond just repair in the body. It is the natural renewal system of the body. Every day of our life, we lose cells, and stem cells will go into tissue to replace these cells. Therefore, health is a balance between the normal loss of cells and the renewal of our tissues with new stem cells. And we develop problem as we age because our ability to renew tissue declines over time. So everything we can do to support stem cell function in the body is bound to help somebody maintain his or her health. So once we put everything into that context, what we can say about SE3 is that it supports the release of stem cells from the bone marrow, with the 3 plants so far that have been documented as the strongest plants, the only plants, to really trigger stem cell release. STEMTECH triggers stem cell release. This is the first work we did. Based on that work, we discovered fucoidan. We continued our research, and the latest plant is Aloe macroclada from Madagascar. It's a subspecies of aloe. In Madagascar, they only use that one to make this traditional remedy that they use for all kinds of health problems. We studied it. It triggers so far the greatest release of stem cells that we have seen. So we blend these 3 together, and it produces SE3. But we also tapped into a newer technology which is helping to keep the length of telomeres. It's complicated to go into the whole story, but let's just say that we have added an extract of astragalus that supports the body in maintaining telomere length. So it's one thing to release stem cells and allow them to reach the tissue where they become a number of new cells. But if you can amplify this process of differentiation in the tissue, we give leverage to all the cells that have been released from the bone marrow. So SE3 is really a combo. Stem cell release that put more stem cells in circulation, and then an anti-aging complex that helps maintain telomere length to make sure that those cells that we have released will bring the greatest benefits to the tissue. So in this, we have essentially SE3 to support stem cell release and support their role in the tissue.